Overview of classical cryptography techniques. In this presentation, we will see about classical cipher, transportation ciphers, substitution cipher, polygraphic cipher, historical use cases, and the conclusion about it. First of all, basic definitions of cryptography is the practice and study of techniques for secure communication in the presence of adversaries, ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of information. Its cryptography plays a crucial role in warfare, diplomacy, and securing sensitive information, evolving from simple ciphers to complex algorithms using today. Encryption is the process for converting plain text into coded text or cipher text, making the information unreadable to unauthorized users and protecting data privacy. Decryption is the reverse process of encryption, converting cipher text back to its original plain text, allowing authorized users to access and comprehend the information security. Methodology. Caesar's cipher operates by shifting each letter in the plain text by the fixed number of positions down the alphabet, making it a simple but effective encryption method. An example for Caesar's cipher is shifting the alphabet by 3 positions, turning A into D, B into E, and so on. Vigneous cipher. The Vigneous cipher uses a keyword to dedicate a shift for each letter, enhancing security by combining multiple keys of cipher based on letters to the keyword. The columnar transportation cipher involves writing the plain text into a grid with a set number of columns and then rearranging the columns according to a predetermined key. In a root cipher, characters are placed in a predefined path with the grid, and the cipher text is formed by reading off the characters in a specific order, altering the arguments. Double transportation cipher. The double transportation cipher uses 2 runs of columnar transportation to enhance security, where the plain text is first rearranged and then reorganized a second time through another key. The rail-fence cipher encrypts messages by writing them in a zigzag pattern across multiple rows. The concatenation the rows to create the final ciphertext, resulting in a unique scrambling of the original message. To create a playful cipher, a 5 into 5 grid is formed using a keyword where letters are arranged alphabetically, excluding the duplicate characters, the letter J, which is often combined with I. The encryption involves pairing letters from the plain text, identifying the positions in a grid, and applying specific rules for substitution based on the relative positions. The Hill cipher utilizes multiplication for encryption, where plain text is transformed into numerical matrix and applied to the key matrix. Key generation in the Hill cipher or invertible matrix, as the key must have a determinant that is co-prime to the size of the used alphabet for successful decryption. Frequency analysis is applied to decipher encrypted text by studying the frequency of letters or group of letters, allowing cryptanalysis to identify likely substitution based on letter popularity. Common patterns include recurrent letter sequence as pairs or triplets, which can signal recurrent words or phrases in the text. Breaking ciphers via pattern recognition involve detecting repeated elements and ornaments, allowing cryptanalysis to hypothesize potential key structures and eventually reconstruct original plain text to the World War I. During World War I, nations adopted cryptography safeguard military communications, enjoying ciphers and codes to prevent enemy interruption and maintain strategic advantage. Early use canvas. Historically, diplomatic messages relied on cipher to protect sensitive information, with early messages like Caesar cipher aiding secure communication among diplomats and state leaders. In contemporary diplomacy, secure communication methods like end-to-end encryption and secure messaging are vital for protecting negotiations and confidential discussion in international relations. The secure encapsulation techniques discussed through the presentation encaps effectiveness and application in real-world scenarios for better results. Looking forward, techniques will continue to adopt the emerging technologies and trends, enhancing the efficiency and applicability in various fields. Despite changes in industry patterns, the discussed method remain essential tools ensure they will persist as valuable strategies to further technologies. Thank you.